A little bit of a kick.
Yeah.
But also really good. Kareem, did we just accidentally make the best summer margarita?
With Cazul Blanco, $40 tequila. No way it holds up. Let me see.
I bet. Let's break it down. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
And today we're tackling a spicy watermelon margarita because summer is here and we need something that's refreshing but also packs a punch.
And we're doing it with Cazul 100 Blanco Reserve Tequila. A great reserver in the name, but only costs about $40. Joey, is this a steal? Or is it like one of those celeb, tequilas a scam?
Well, that's what we're about to find out.
So, quick lesson. Reserva usually means aged, but it's a Blanco. Blancos are normally bottled right after distillation. Why is it called a Reserva?
That's a good question. From what I've read, Cazul 100 uses hand-selected agave and a slower fermentation process. So it's Reserva in the quality, not in the age.
The real test is, can it hold up in this cocktail?
All right, let's talk about the spicy watermelon margarita.
Okay.
We're rebalancing sweet, sour, and heat. So the tequila needs to cut through all that without disappearing.
Exactly. A cheap tequila might get lost in a cocktail like this, but it adds its own peppery kick.
And when the watermelon, you really want to use fresh, not syrup, because we want that natural sweetness and texture to it.
Plus, agave, instead of a simple syrup, keeps it authentic. So you stay with the agave flavor as in the tequila.
Oh, I just realized that. Let's make the drink. The first thing we're going to need is a ½ ounce of agave syrup. Then we're going to muddle a couple jalapeno slices. About 3 to 5, depending on how spicy you want it. I'm going to do 4. And the reason I'm doing it this way is so that the jalapeno and the agave sort of mix in together so that the spiciness goes into the agave syrup. Then we're going to take some of our fresh watermelon and put the chunks in. We're going to muddle all these together. I just threw stuff everywhere. It's spitting at me. It's spitting. Depending on how you want this, I'm trying to really muddle it so that all the liquid from the watermelon gets in here. Now with that muddled, we're going to take our tequila and we're going to do 2 ounces of tequila. If you're doing a free pour, it's about an 8 count, or you could just use the jigger. We're also going to do an ounce of the lime juice. Now we just need to add some ice and we'll shake it up. Now what we're going to do here is we're actually going to double strain it. I'll take one strainer here, put it through to the other one. This is going to catch any unwanted chunks of the watermelon, so it's just all juice and liquid. Kind of dirty. We garnish with a watermelon slice and a cup of jalapeños. And this is your spicy watermelon Margarita. One. All right, Kareem. So now it's time for the Brew Bro scale. Where does this land?
I would give this a 4.
You know, you're right. It's close to God tier, but maybe like we gotta add maybe a little pinch of salt, or even like a triple sec, or like an orange liqueur to give that little extra kick.
And you could always adjust the spiciness levels by either adding seeds or taking out the seeds.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add more for the next batch.
Yeah.
So more jalapeño.
And it's still proof that a budget tequila could give you such a great, flavor cocktail.
But before we go, we have a big announcement. We're launching Brew Bros Anime Reviews, a whole new channel where we'll be breaking down our favorite animes and still having our favorite cocktails.
But don't worry, we'll still be doing cocktail reviews and, our drink reviews, as in the tequila tastings, our bottle reviews. But we'll have more chaos, more fun, more beverages.
So smash that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what's your go-to summer cocktail.
And if you try this margarita, tag us or leave a comment. Or if you like other tequila cocktails, click in the corner.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Did we just accidentally make the best summer margarita?
Bro, with
Kareem, did we just accidentally make the best summer margarita?
Bro, with Cazul. Alright.
It's spitting at me. It's spitting. And this is your spicy watermelon margarita. Peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Let's try again.